Kumain kami sa labas. Ayan. May baon kami yung salad. Cheat day niya. May Sprite. And we have French fries. And that's all. Siya. Ayan. Salad. Eating out. Dinner time. Dito kami sa mall. Oops. Yeah, kumain kami sa labas. Yes. And we're here. How is it? Like, nice. Oh, good job. Ayan ang kanyang pagkain. Salad, salad. Great, Daddy. Enjoy your meal.